Hello and welcome to Hemmings Garage Overtime. My name is Junior Nevison and today we're going to pressure wash a motor the hard way. Initially I was going to try and drop this engine out of the bottom. There's plenty of room here, but the truck just doesn't fit on the lift very well and I don't feel comfortable with it in the way it is, so we're going to pull it out the door. I've made a rough measurement. I think we got a couple inches on either side. And way back when my dad's van, we managed to take the engine right out the side doors. Don't have that option with this, but I think it'll fit out this way just fine. So that is what we're going to do. One of the things I've really been wanting to do with this too is get all this carpet off the floor. It is not doing it any favors, as you can see here. See, it's starting to head south. We got a few little holes here that need to be patched. So my throttle cable right here goes right through the hole in this bracket that's captured. So I need to undo the throttle cable up here and hopefully it'll feed through. This exhaust is probably going to fall right out, or the wrench is going to come off. Oh, that wasn't so bad. Not enough. Oh, yay. Come to find out after the fact, radiator drops out the bottom real easy if you have the room. But I'll do it the hard way. It's hard to believe my entire mechanical automotive career started right here. 15 years old, I sat here and did a timing chain just like this. Here I am at 52, doing it again. Up. Yep. Out. Front row. You tilt it, don't slide that way. That ain't gonna go easy. Yeah. Can I go forward? Go forward and swing it. The reason we pulled the motor out of the truck was twofold. One, it looked like a greased cat. If we tried to clean it inside, it would have ruined the interior. Two is the freeze plug on the rear of the block was leaking and we had no access. An hour of pressure washing and scrubbing later, the motor's clean. I won't say it looks better, but it's certainly clean. We did discover that one of our freeze plugs here that was completely packed full of grit, dirt, grease actually has a hole in it. How it wasn't leaking, we don't know. So in the next episode, we are going to replace all the freeze plugs, We're going to do a timing chain, water pump, front rear main seal, oil pan gasket, etc., etc. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. As always, thank you for watching.